We a B.E.C.E candidate a wo B.E.C.E this year. We are awofo a wo share video way a wo ba ebetro B.E.C.E. We are wofa a wo fa se ebetro B.E.C.E. We are maame a ebia wonu bi ba episode to B.E.C.E. E dey video way enkoma myself when it comes to school selection. Me chemu a wo to B.E.C.E. no. S.H.S school ebe choose them busia to da na say do so see choose a students and parent guardian and whoever is taking care of a B.E.C.E candidate, they find it difficult to choose the S.H.S schools because the school no eba say ya and a book eba school mo no omo ye kese e ba akopɛ enti afei e na nkwala no mmeko na akora we na mpese mko school we et say ni say enti ne there is a website eba be release on stress. There is a website that full information, the rules and regulations concerning how to choose your S.H.S. Wouldn't say you cannot choose 3 category A schools and this system and this site is going to help you to choose your schools. School no a boarding school. I am from a school no one a school no so course how can be or more equipment and the tools that is going to lead you to do whatever you want to do in S.H.S. technical school be na best a body and a day. This system is going to help you and is going to release all your stress. Me feel them phone na go say hey school we say na sit school we e watch more da be school we e water credit technical school say na sit. This site is called shselection.com. I recommend this site for you. This website is very interesting and it's very operational and very cool. Make a full video of how to use this site. Now, before then, repost this video to your friends and your loved ones, to anybody who's writing B.E.C.E this year. They will also get to know that this school selection and placement system. I thought that thing into when you be there, so be as making one time say. But when you be there, when you say you sit here, into come by your home, most of the link and the bosso. I do call shselection.com. Now, what's my the full guidelines? You better full video so about how to operate on the site. I come studios make come for the form mount. It's a once a me back me come for dia na ya de bia man say to mu. shselection.com and release stress and choose the best schools you want to go in 2025. The name is still Sticky the Superstar and I'm finally out.